Bye, Governor's Harbor. Wanted to stay longer, but can't be a sailor if you don't ever move. So here we go.
Yes, Governor's Harbor. We hope to meet you again. And this feels really awkward talking to the town as I look into the camera. But the sailing is gonna be good. All right, what's the update on the coffee?
It's brewing. It's brewing. I didn't make it last night. We've been drinking cold brew coffee, so I put it in the fridge at night and let it brew all night. And I guess I was so tired yesterday, I cleaned the kitchen and I went to bed and I forgot. So.
Well, I brought it out. I figure if we agitate it, shake her up, I figure that would help to brew it.
I don't know, I stirred it. Let's just turn it a little bit.
Yeah, let's just agitate
it. Like a little dance.
All right, I'll let you dance for 10 minutes.
So weird.
It's going to take a little bit, I think, but we'll have it in about 10 minutes.
Call my number, call my name.
Our sail today is as easy as they come. Our ultimate destination is Rock Sound Harbour, Eleuthera. And we're starting about 20 nautical miles north in the protected waters of Governor's Harbor.
Call my name. We both know how to play. Call my number, call my name.
All right, how's sailing right now?
This is my favorite. We're going almost 5 knots, between 4.5 and 5 actually. And it's not rough, it's nice and calm. We're going at a close haul. This is my kind of sailing.
How much wind do we have?
Oh gosh, 10 knots of wind.
That's good.
I love it. Easy sailing.
And how did the coffee turn out?
Well, it's creamy. And it tastes like coffee flavored tea.
So we're kind of having tea, English tea.
It's an enjoyable light coffee brew.
With a single ice cube.
With a single ice cube and some cream. But it'll be better tomorrow.
Okay, what you think? What you think? No? What you think, Mocha?
I want to sit in Mommy's lap. That's all she ever thinks. I want to sit in Mommy's lap. What you doing, Matt?
Projects. The arm that holds this table leaf up has been super glued about 3 times by us, and it's finally broke. And so we're taking it off, and we're replacing it with a brand new arm. We have like 2 spares of these, and so it's currently. We've been about 6 months with no leaves on this table, so we can't do work on the laptops. We eat in really small space, so just trying to give us some more space here. Nothing big happening. Coffee from that, the caffeine from that tea is getting to my head though.
Anytime I come downstairs, this is what I get.
How's it look, Nance? How's it look?
It's perfect. We have a table again.
Project complete.
Yay.
Love it.
1 off the list. How many more to go?
2,500.
But life.
But life. I mean, how can you work with that view, right?
Definitely hard.
How do you get the work done with that view? Look at this full sail. This is beautiful. Oh yeah, we got wind now, baby. There was a little bitty rain shower. Actually, it's cleared. Coming off the land on Eleuthera. and the wind started dying. So we changed the sail angle and kind of overtook the helm. Good thing, because then the wind on the backside of this range, they gusted up to 20. We're at upper teens now. And we're just feathering the sails on and off the wind. Doing 6.8, 7 knots. It's good. Nancy's like, oh no! We started heeling. And you just weren't expecting it. She just put one reef in the main. And we're sailing right along now. Upper teens, getting 7 knots of speed. Oh no, we're losing it. It's been about 10 minutes of good wind. Yeah, it's softening now. It was so fun. This is fun though. It's funny, this is 20 knots of wind, upper teens, whereas yesterday was upper teens, 20s. Totally different ball game. Just goes to show that the wind angle and the conditions can vary. And this is lovely. I feel like we're in Annapolis doing bay sailing. Like, where's the other Catalinas? And, having a good time. And thank you for breakfast, Nancy.
You're welcome. I got it done just in time.
I know, and now the wind is back in lower teens.
It's a great 20-mile sail from Governor's Harbor to Rock Sound. And we're at that point where we're just seeing the harbor at Rock Sound.
That's where to today.
Today we're going to go explore Rock Sound. Well, at least the civilization part of it. We got to go to the bank, we have laundry, we're getting that pizza I told you about. So, groceries. It's errand day, and then tomorrow we have some fun things planned to explore as well. So, today is business.
And we're doing it between
Rain fronts.
rainstorms there. We got another one there. Let's get the
ashore.
dinghy. Let's get going. All right, this is the little road. Actually, this is the Queens Highway, the busiest road, probably the busiest road in the Bahamas. It's the whole length of Eleuthera, and this is the walk to the bank. So, really quick little walk from the anchorage. A little dog friend joined us, and it didn't rain on us, so that's good.
Right here.
Oh, this is the fuel station. Okay. Good to know. Just having a good time out here. Isn't this a lovely place? Isn't this beautiful? What do you think?
I love it. I absolutely love it. It's so fun. Got it.
You got the rock?
It keeps happening to me
Mission
in these
success.
same shoes.
All right, we have our score from the liquor store. A bottle of wine for killer price and a 6-pack of beer. We're at the grocery store right here. This is a full grocery store. With look at how stocked this is.
They have a soy sauce on
They have good soy sauce. They've got everything here, and I'm shocked. This is the best grocery store we've seen since Nassau.
Definitely. The prices are cheaper than Georgetown.
We just didn't bring the bag, so we're gonna come back later for groceries. They have mozzarella cheese, oh my gosh.
So Rock Sound is definitely one of the best stocked, grocery stores we've seen so far in the Bahamas, apart from Nassau. But you do pay for it. The prices are a little steep here. But it's good to find a great grocery store to stock up on some of those necessities. that the the pack dogs, the stray dogs around here are kind of a thing on Eleuthera, particularly here in Rock Sound. So we have this pack, and they're kind of following us, but running off and really chasing chickens. Here goes. Jumping fences, look at that.
Oh my gosh.
These dogs are crazy. They're jumping they're like these little 4-foot stone walls, and the chickens are running for their lives. Look at this. Run for your life, Mr. Chicken.
Chicken chase.
You can hear chickens crying back there. So I don't know if the dogs eat those chickens or not, but they are chasing them. It's funny, and they're not bothering us, the dogs aren't, just kind of roaming and running. Whoops. We're on our way to do laundry at the laundromat, just having a good time. The sky's cleared, it's beautiful out here.
Call my number, call my name.
Full of trash.
If you wonder.
So the laundromat was about a half-mile walk from the dinghy dock. And after laundry, we were ready to find a little lunch. So we had a little walk again and had a lovely lunch at Sammy's place.
We both know I'm to blame. Call my number, call my name.
Pretty good looking burger. So we're at the laundromat and the guy who works there says, we're looking for the pizza store, right? And he tells us the pizza store is closed. There's no pizza in town. But he recommends Sammy's. 100 feet that way, 100 feet that way. And quite a good recommendation. Olivia's got the grilled cheese. I ordered a burger, Nancy ordered a chicken burger, and we're sharing half and half. They have breakfast on the menu, pancakes, eggs. We should come back for breakfast. No, it looks good. It feels like, it actually feels very southern home cooking type. I like it. It's really good.
The chicken burger was really good. I'm on to the hamburger.
Hey, Marky.
Nice recommendation.
So how's the chicken burger compared to Hatchet Bay?
Well, the chicken is a little smaller. It's not as robust, but the flavor was definitely perfect. Really good. They put a lot of sauce on there, so that's really good.
You had the one for me already.
How's the chicken? How's the grilled
Put the
cheese?
money on your account back there.
It's really good.
No, I don't think so. I'll have to ask her.
And the
I'm
French
going to
fries?
give you some more money.
Really good.
You are? Okay.
Yeah,
the soda?
I'm going to give you some
Really
more
good.
money. So,
How's it going? Doing good. Oh, baby. There we go. Southern fish fry.
This food is delicious.
It's good? Mm-hmm. We got some of that mackerel that I caught a while back. Pulled it out of the freezer, battered it up. Got some chicken tenders, we threw some flour on. Got some fresh onions and pinto beans and cheesy rice. We're about to have us a fish fry, folks. So I hope you enjoyed Rock Sound today. This is going to be a good dinner tonight. Hey, thank you so much for watching today's video. We're glad you joined us. If you'd like to see more footage from this episode or other episodes, including behind the scenes and live Zoom meetings, join us over on the virtual crew at Patreon. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you next week.